probably one of my greatest desires for a laboratory information management system, particularly one that captures experimental details in a structured way, is really relieving the burden of all that data collection, again, what I call data drudgery, from the analyst in the laboratory and having them focus on science.
What we want to do is just ensure that we reduce as much human error as possible, and then that people can go and then do their work in a very standard way. If that standard way could be supported by digital solutions, that's going to be great.
The implementation of SampleManager LIMS is a significant step forward for our Pharma Services colleagues. And so the innovation is fostered because our analysts in the laboratory and our scientists are less encumbered by having to record that data and can focus more on what the data and the results mean.
Our QC colleagues will have a very powerful tool to much more quickly analyze, interpret, and report complex data from various sources, and as a result, speed the delivery of quality medicines to patients around the world.
If there's any way where we can increase the trust that our products are being manufactured using the latest technology that is going to remove the probability of human errors, it's going to be critical.
The use of SampleManager LIMS, and particularly the Laboratory Execution System module, really reduces that burden, unleashing the ability for people to think, to understand, analyze that data, and actually gain insights that will help accelerate our ability for our customers to develop medicines and bring those to market quicker for unmet medical needs.